Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create your Binance account. Very easy, okay? As you can see, I've even completed my verification, made my deposit, I even hold crypto assets. Very easy. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So first go to Binance.com and then come here and click on a register here at the very top right. Okay, click on that button and then I want you to choose your registration method. So Binance offers you multiple registration methods. You can sign up using your email address, your phone number, or through your, Apple or Google account as well. Carefully choose the option that suits you. Okay, then go ahead and create that account. And what you can do now, guys, for email or phone number registration, enter your email address or phone number and the provided field. And if you have a referral ID from maybe a friend, you can input that as well. It's completely optional. And then just read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and then click on next. Okay. And a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your registered email or phone number. Okay. Retrieve that code and enter it here within 30 minutes. And then just go ahead and set a strong password for your account. Ensure it has at least, 8 characters, including one uppercase letter, one number, and then click on next to confirm your password. And after you have successfully created an account for Binance, they will also give you 100 USDT reward. You can go ahead and find those promo codes as well. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.